Hello, everybody. Here we are, page 16 of our medical binder. Here is the healthcare proxy. All right, some of you are familiar with this and some of you aren't. It does say here, click here to view the New York State Healthcare Proxy form. So if you're on the digital file, click this, and this is what you will get. Actually, let me show you what you will get. You will get the healthcare proxy. Now this is 6 or 7 pages. They're not labeled. But you get all these pages here that tells you all about the healthcare proxy, tells you exactly what you need to do about it, and then you have 2 pages here that you have to fill out. They will need a witness. They will need 2 witnesses. Okay. Now, let me see. You have to be 18 to be a healthcare proxy. Okay. Now, this does not have to be notarized. If you feel that maybe somebody's going to give you a hard time and you want to get it notarized, get it notarized. Not a big deal. Okay. So on my sheet, a healthcare proxy allows you to designate someone. Now, you may hear it called an agent. I like just to call that you're designating somebody, but they could be designating an agent. Same thing. The person that you are choosing is your agent to make medical decisions on your behalf. This person needs to be well trusted. Should not be a family member. It can be, but I highly suggest it's not. Now, when I say trusted, I don't care how much money they have. I don't care how much power they have. They need to be trusted with your life. If you do not have a healthcare proxy, you could end up with family members and friends fighting over your care in courts. The courts could they could decide your treatment if you didn't choose and family and friends can't figure it out. This can quickly turn into a very unnecessary and messy ordeal. So just fill out the healthcare proxy form. Put down what you want. Make sure where you're staying. They know that you have a health proxy and it's visible. All right, if you have your binder, everything's in your binder. But if not, and you have the healthcare proxy form, make sure the doctors and nurses know where it is. You're thinking it won't happen to me. This is a very cruel world, and it very well could happen to you. Sometimes people don't show their true colors until after the fact. So I'm asking you, please, if you don't do all the sheets I'm giving you, please fill out a healthcare proxy for yourself. Okay. Now, I am putting this one again in order. You put it where you need it to be. If it needs to be at the front, you need to write healthcare proxy on the front of your binder. Whatever it is you need to do to be sure that everyone is aware that you have a healthcare proxy. As a matter of fact, the EMTs or medical professionals might want to contact your healthcare proxy. They should contact your healthcare proxy if you enter a facility. All right. Please fill that out.